Hello everyone, welcome back to Homespot. Today, we are turning garden waste into artistic treasures. We will explore creative ways to upcycle twigs and branches into beautiful outdoor decor that will make your backyard shine this season without spending a single penny on materials. Let's get started. Welcome spring to your home by crafting a rustic wreath using flexible branches gathered from your yard. Intertwine fresh blooms like roses and daisies into the woven wood for a natural touch. This simple project adds an organic charm to your garden gate or front door, perfectly capturing the vibrant essence of a new season while repurposing garden waste beautifully. Build a sturdy teepee trellis using tall, thick branches to support your climbing plants this season. As sweet peas and vines begin to grow, they will wrap around the rustic wood, creating a stunning vertical display. This eco-friendly structure adds height and drama to your flower beds, while providing the perfect natural framework for your garden's most delicate climbers. Invite feathered friends into your garden with a cozy birdhouse made from woven twigs. Decorate the exterior with soft moss and rough bark to help it blend into the trees. This tiny sanctuary offers a safe nesting spot during the spring breeding season and serves as a whimsical, handcrafted piece of art that looks completely at home in nature. Create a soothing soundtrack for your garden with a handmade branch wind chime. Suspend pieces of driftwood, colorful sea glass, and small bells from a horizontal branch using natural twine. As the spring breeze blows, these materials will create a gentle, clinking sound. It is a perfect decorative piece to hang from a tree for a peaceful atmosphere. Transform a bare exterior wall into a masterpiece with a large frame made from thick, rugged branches. Fill the center with a variety of succulents and mosses to create a living work of art. This project bridges the gap between gardening and sculpture, providing a stunning focal point that evolves throughout the spring season as the plants grow. Add architectural interest to your borders with a decorative garden obelisk built from salvaged tree branches. This vertical structure is ideal for supporting roses or clematis as they begin their spring ascent. Its rustic appearance complements any plant variety, offering a timeless look that feels far more personal and unique than any store-bought metal alternative you might find. Spruce up your blossoming fruit trees with simple star and heart ornaments made from small twigs. Secure the shapes with natural jute twine for a clean, minimalist look. These lightweight decorations sway gently in the wind, adding a layer of detail to your garden canopy. They are easy to make and provide a lovely, understated festive feel for spring. Ditch the plastic pots and weave your own hanging baskets using flexible willow or birch branches. Fill them with bright spring primroses to add pops of color at eye level. These organic containers allow for great drainage and breathability, ensuring your plants stay healthy while giving your porch or pergola a beautifully handcrafted and very traditional garden aesthetic. Repurpose thicker branches into a decorative leaning ladder to showcase your collection of potted herbs. Simply lean it against a shed or wall and place small terracotta pots on the rungs. This vertical display saves space in smaller gardens and creates a rustic, layered look that highlights the beauty of your spring herbs and seasonal annual flowers. Build a simple and effective bird feeder using a wooden tray framed with straight sticks. Hang it from a sturdy branch with natural twine to provide a safe place for birds to refuel. The minimalist design ensures that the focus remains on the wildlife, while the use of natural materials helps the feeder blend perfectly into the garden environment. Bring your garden to life by sculpting animal shapes out of bundled branches and twigs. A graceful deer or a large bird made from natural wood add a sense of wonder to your lawn or meadow. These sculptures capture the essence of nature and become a talking point for visitors, showcasing the incredible potential of upcycled garden materials. Elevate your outdoor dining experience with a simple tabletop centerpiece made from a weathered branch. Use the natural cracks and holes in the wood to hold small glass vials filled with delicate spring wildflowers. This easy decoration brings the beauty of the garden directly to your table, creating a rustic and elegant setting for any spring garden party. Maximize your growing space by building a vertical garden rack from thick horizontal support branches. Mount them to a wall or fence and use them to hang small herb pots or flowering baskets. This sturdy structure is perfect for keeping your favorite spring greens within easy reach while adding a beautiful, textured element to an otherwise plain garden boundary. We have seen how simple twigs can transform your outdoor space into an artistic sanctuary. These eco-friendly projects are perfect for adding personality to your spring garden while being kind to the planet. If these ideas inspired you, please hit the like button, subscribe to Homespot for more garden tips, and leave a comment below.